to all. This is for class 7th GK. Class 7th in GK we had completed till chapter number 16. Now I am going to start your chapter number 17 on the road. So fill in the blanks with the right answer. First one, roads are the common mean of transportation. These roads join one big city with another. They are called. The correct answer is National Highway. NATIONAL, National Highway. HIGHWAY, National Highway. Now second, if a town is too crowded, a ring road or dash is built. Correct answer is bypass. BYPASS, bypass. Third one, each state has a number of major roads. The road that join the state capital with the other important town in the state are called dash. The answer is state highway. STATE, state. HIGHWAY, state highway. Okay. Now fourth question. In some cities there are so many roads that it is difficult to go from one end of the city to another. It takes hours. Nowadays big bridges are built. These bridges are over the roads. They are called dash. So the correct answer for 4 is flyover. FLYOVERS, flyovers. Now fifth, public road in a city, town or village with the houses or building on one or both sides are called dash. The answer for fifth is street. STREET, street. Then question number 6. A wide street, often in the suburbs and lined with a tree, is called dash. The answer for 6 is avenue. AVENUE, avenue. Now coming on to 7. A wide road built especially for the fast moving traffic with a restricted number of places for entry and exit, separated carriageways for vehicle travelling opposite direction, is called dash. The answer is motorway. MOTORWAYS, motorways. Or it is also called expressway. EXPRESS, expressway. So the correct answer for answer number 7, motorways. MOTORWAYS, motorways. It is also called expressway. Okay. Now question number 8. A flat part at the side of the road for people to walk on is called dash. The correct answer is pavement. PAVEMENT, pavement. Now question number 9. An area of the road marked with the broad black and white lines where vehicle must stand for the people to walk across is called dash. So correct answer is zebra crossing. ZEBRA, zebra. CROSSING, zebra crossing. Number 10. The first really modern highway created especially for automobiles was the dash in New York. So the correct answer is Bronx, BRONX, Bronx. River, RIVER, river. Parkway, Parkway. Bronx River Parkway. Now 11th question. The vehicles that are on a road at a particular time are called dash. Traffic, TRAFFIC. 11th answer is traffic. Now 12th. Flashing light on a vehicle used to show the direction in which it is about to turn is called dash. It is indicator, INDICATOR. 12th answer is indicator. Now 13. An official whose job is to make sure that people do not park their vehicle illegal and to report those who do is called dash. It is traffic officer, TRAFFIC, traffic, OFFICER, officer. It is traffic officer. Now 14. A narrow street with a building on both sides is called dash. It is lane, LANE, lane. So now your chapter number 17 is completed. In next video I will provide you the answer for chapter number 18. Till then, thank you.